Hello, and welcome to Clean Air Duct Cleaning's quick guide on ordering air filters from FilterBuy. Let's walk through the steps to ensure your quality filters arrive at your door easily each month. On the homepage, navigate to the Air Filters section. You can use the search bar or browse the categories to find the filters you need. Now, let's find the perfect filters for you. First, select the filter size that fits your needs. Next, choose the filter quality that matches your requirements. We recommend MERV 8 to 11. Then, indicate the quantity of filters you'd like to order. After that, select your preferred delivery method. Once you have chosen your filters, it's time to begin the checkout process. Click Add to Cart to proceed. Review your selection and adjust the quantity if needed. When you're ready, click Secure Checkout. After selecting your air filters, it's time to enter your payment and shipping details. Fill in your billing information, including your name, address, and contact details. Then, provide your shipping information, ensuring accuracy for delivery. Proceed by entering your payment details. Finally, click Place Order to complete your purchase. Congratulations! You've successfully ordered air filters from FilterBuy.com. Your order is now processed, and your filters will soon be on their way. If you need someone to come and install your new air filters each month, don't hesitate to contact Clean Air Duct Cleaning.